let's do this question. The question says, prove that 7 to the power of n plus 2 is divisible by 3 for all positive integers. So first of all positive integers means we are talking about all the natural number. It means it holds for all natural numbers. Then let's begin with the proof. Let's check for the base case. So here, step 1, put n is equal to 1. So basically, if 7 to the power of n is divisible by 3, it means we can write 7 to the power of n plus 2 is some 3 times m, right? Where m is some integer, right? So we are required. We can translate this statement to this format. So let's just plug in the left hand side. 7 to the power of 1 plus 2. So it's 9, right? So 9 is 3 times 3. So hence it is true, right? It's equal to some format of RHS. It's divisible by R3. Now let's go to step 2. Now what we're gonna do, we will assume that n is equal to k is true. So what we gonna get? 7k plus 2 is some 3m. Okay. Let us label it as star. Okay. Now we will declare that we are going to prove for n is equal to k plus 1. So is step 3 to prove n is equal to k plus 1 is true. We're going to assume that what we get 7k plus 1 plus 2 will be equal to some 3 alpha, right? Here I'm taking m, here I'm taking it to be alpha. Okay. Can I modify this star? Can I get the value of 7k from here? 7k will be 3m minus 2. Let's label this as star. Now let's begin our proof over here. What we're gonna get? Let's pick LHS. That's 7k plus 1 plus 2. Can I write 7k plus 1 as 7k times 7 plus 2? What is the value of 7k from star? Let's just sub in over here. So it's 3m minus 2 times 7. So here we are getting this from star. I'm not using any numbers because that will create burden. You can use first, second, third. That's also acceptable. It's 3m. I'm now using the BODMAS and multiplying 7 with a bracket minus 2 times 7 plus 2. What you're gonna get further? (3m) times 7 minus 14 plus 2. That's basically your 12. 3m minus 12. Now 12 is 3 times 4. Can I pull 3 out, right? So what is left here? 3m minus 4. So can I say let your alpha is equal to m minus 4. So what do you get? This is equal to 3 alpha. That is the required RHS. This implies 7k plus 1 plus 2 is divisible by 3, right? So the statement holds for n is equal to 1. It holds, we're gonna assume that it's the statement holds for n is equal to k plus The statement holds for n is equal to 1. We have assumed the statement holds for n is equal to k, and then we have proved for n is equal to k plus 1. Now we can go for generalizing, right? So let's say this gives us by principle of mathematical induction, given statement is true for all positive integers. So yeah, that's it for this question. See you with the next question. Till then, keep smiling, keep shining. Bye bye.